Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another one, and today we are doing a 3K unboxing. I'm excited to show you guys what I ended up getting. I added some great pieces to my collection, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna start off with the luxury handbag that I ended up getting. Now this handbag is from Switzerland. So this is the brand of bag that I was gifted. The brand is called Bali. So this is the handbag right here. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's so cute. I love it. It's black. The name of this bag is called Belle. It's so pretty. It's a plain calfskin leather, I believe. This is the inside of it. It's so cute. It looks a little dirty on the inside because I already kind of been wearing it. Hey guys, so don't forget to comment, like, and if you want to stay a while, subscribe. And yeah, let's just hop back into the video. I just wanted to say that. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I wear it like this because it is versatile, which is super cute. I love it. Let me move back so that you guys can see it. Isn't it super cute? It's perfect for me. Absolutely freaking love this bag. I swear, I'm just obsessed. So that was the bag that I was gifted. Super cute. Let me show you guys how it looks like when I take the handles off of the bag. And that's pretty easy too. You just pull these things out. You pull it out like this and voila. Now you have it as a handbag. Okay. Super cute. And let me give you the details on the cost of the bag. So this handbag will run you about $1,774.50. That's including tax as well. Now this has a quality control guaranteed, so you know you're getting your money's worth. And let me tell you right now, I'm gonna give you a quick story time. I spilled alcohol on this the other day while I was at dinner, and let me tell you something. I thought I ruined this bag, but come to find out, it takes really well to water, almost like it's waterproof. Not saying to put water on it, but when it did, the alcohol did spill on the bag, it dried up really well and it just disappeared. So you can't even tell that I spilled any type of liquids on this at all. Like, you can't even tell I spilled anything on it. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's gonna be like an everyday bag. So for this next item, I was super excited. I didn't expect to get jewelry because it is jewelry, but they're very beautiful. So let me show you what it is. It is Tiffany's, and here's the big reveal. There you go. They're beautiful. They're stunning. They're gold earrings with diamonds in the middle. And as you guys know, if you haven't realized, I love my jewelry with diamonds in them. Aren't they stunning? They're so beautiful. Now they do look tiny. They look so tiny, but when you put them in your ear, like when I wear them, they're very much noticeable. They're very subtle but very classy. I love them. I love them. I love them. I've been wearing them for the last couple of days and I had to take them out because I'm like, okay, like we got to give the ears a little bit of a break here. But they're super comfortable to wear. They don't irritate my ears at all, and it's almost like you don't even know you have them on. And I've fallen asleep with them a couple of nights and I forgot to take them off. So they're gorgeous. The total cost for that is $1,381.25. I'm very grateful and very happy for being gifted these two things. I got gifted these two things within a matter of like, what, 24 or 48 hours probably. And you know, it started with the earrings and it ended with the bag. And I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it, okay? So the total for my entire unboxing would be a whopping $3,155.75. So I'm a very happy girl.